Hello, here on Module 3 overview as we are now moving into the next module. This is going to be a module where we're dealing with a database, active data objects. Okay, so it's going to be key that your computer that you're working on has the access program. Being a Prince William County student, all computers, all you guys should be able to have access to Office 365 and be able to download all of the Microsoft products. Okay, so what we're going to be doing here is creating an interface, okay, that talks with the access program and pulls in the data, and you can actually use it to enter and update databases. This is what a lot of times we find the medical field, doctors' offices are using some sort of program that is talking to a database when entering information about yourself. And so in part of industry, even in website, for example, we look at inventory, customers buying and selling products with a web-based program. And as people buy products, the inventory goes down. And so it's people's jobs to review and having to restock when you buy it, when you have to restock your inventory. And so these are good applications to get yourself familiar where you're building an application that links to a database. So I'm first, like we've done in the past, letting you know that we need to create a Module 3 folder. We're moving forward. So if I simply right click over the open area I'm right now, again, I'm in the documents. I've gone into my advanced programming folder. I'm right clicking and simply going new folder, and I'm typing in module 3. All right, so please make an effort to create another module. When you start these new applications, you're going to have to go to the browse button and redirect from module 2 to module 3, but it shouldn't be that difficult. Okay, so if I get back to the web resources, understand, okay, if I scroll down here, what the objectives are, you then see the notes and you see 3 different example problems, 7, 8, 9. And as I pause here, for example, we're going to be taking an approach when we go to 8 and 9 that we're going to be copying 7. When you get done with 7, submit 7. We're going to be copying 7. The folder of the program and pasting it, because we're going to be using the same application from 7 to 8 to build on it. And then when you get down to with 8 and turn 8 in and go to example problem 9, I'm going to be asking you to go to 8 and copy the program of 8, paste it, and so you're going to be building on that program. So to do 9, you're going to have to do 7 and 8 first because it's the same program. Okay, so I'll try to talk about that in those other videos as well. But the concept is that you do 7, turn 7 in, then you're going to copy it and paste it, and then you build upon 8, which will be 7, a copy of 7. You do 8, copy 8, and then work on 9, which would be a copy of 8. All right, so then you tear down, there will be going back to the web resources with the chapter 10, and that's going to be also dealing with the ADO facet. So I ask you guys to take a peek at these notes on the web resource. So if I go over there right now, which I think I'm in, if you could take a peek of these notes, so the notes on the overview of that ADO, excuse me, and it's just a simple page giving you some terminologies and give you an understanding of the records and fields, and a little overview of how a form links to a database. So review these notes, and then if you can please make an effort to go in and take the pre-test, which is nested right here to conclude you with this overview.